Girls who are super picky about your bras, the upgraded version of OEAK's Wave Bra finds a solution to any problem that you've ever had with a bra. This bra is seamless, it's wire-free, it's got a W-shaped jelly strip instead of underwire. There's jelly strips at the side for that inward support. Pushes you up and in, it fits like a glove. It's got amazing coverage. No spilling out the side, no spilling out the top. This scalloped edge keeps your bra from rolling. This scalloped edge up here keeps your girls nice and separated, no uni. The bra band is buttery, soft, and smooth, so comfortable, it doesn't even feel like you're wearing a bra. It's nice and thick to keep you smooth across the back. 4 rows of triple hook and eye closure, comes with an extender just in case you need it. You can crisscross the street.
Ayan. Okay, thank you, CZ Roku. What it is, so what's up? Every good thing is a little more. Okay, next. Ay, ang cute. Pang large. Pang large, madam, oh. Ay, ang ganda nito. Pa skin tone. O, large on tag kay brown. Large, 89. Code ako 10. Code 10. Code ng 10, 89 pesos. 10 ang code. 89 pesos says 89.89. Size large. Code 10, mine 10.89. Cute silang babao. Large to XL carry. Ayan. Code 10, mine 10.89. Code 10, mine 10. 89 pesos. So, okay, next. May pang Koreana. Ayan, ganda. Korea 10, Gretchen. Saan na yan? O, yours na, Mami Gretchen. 89. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thank you, Mami Gretch. Ayan, thank you. O, next. Ito, mapang size sa medium to large. Med to large, 89. Code ako dito ng 11. Code 11, code 11, 89 pesos. Med to large, ayan na. Pang Koreana, may ang ganda. 11B. 89, screenshot. Ay, hi pala. Hi. Althea. 0. Thank you. Ay. Okay, next. Ito pa, may isa pa. Sino pa sa isa? Med to large, 89, code 12. Code 12, code ng 12, 89 pesos. 12 ang code. 89.89. Yes po, pwedeng i-CO. 12 ang code, 89 pesos, 89.89. Code 12, mine 12. 89, 89.89. Jason. 89, screenshot. Thank you. Next. Ganda ng kulay. May pa-crop top. Ganda ng kulay. Size medium. Ito pala siya. Size med, ganda ng kulay, oh. Medium size, 89, pa-crop top. Code ako dito, 13. Size medium. Code 13, code 13, 89. Perfect yan pag naka-tube ka. 13 ang code, K, 89. K89. Thank you. Okay, next. Ay. Ano to? Small. Pang small, ganyan siya mao. Small size. Anes. Knitted. Small. Small size, 79. Code ako 14. Code 14, code 14, 79. Anesme. Old Rose. Ayan. Or ganyan. Hindi, ganun nga. Okay, parang pa-razorback sa likod. 40 ng code, 89. Ups, another knitted. Ay, ito maganda ma. Alabet. Uy, ang ganda. Oh, ganda ma. Pang size ano to? Hala, ang ganda. Okay, pang size large. Size large. Large on tag 89. Large size 89. Code ako dito ng 19. Code 19, mine 1989 pesos. 19 ang code. 89 pang large. Roku, screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thank you, Roku. Ano, mag-new arrival din tayo ng ganito. Gusto nyo? May isa pang box sa labas. Ito na lang ang merong new arrival. Sige, Mi. O, sige. Ayan. Roku. 89. Ayan. Thank you, Bem. Next. Ayan. Pag naka 8 items kayo pala ng knitted tops, may free kayong knitted tops din, ha? I forgot to mention. Wah, English yarn. Pag naka-8 ng knitted tops, may ayuda kayong isa. Knitted tops din. Parang sa towel din. Pag naka-8 ng towel, ayuda towel din. Ganon. Kay medium. Diba? Medium size, 89. Code ako 20. Code 20, code 20, 89 pesos, 89, 89. Code 20. 89, screenshot, 89. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 89 all. Ay, may pangalan dito kanina, oh. Si Sisi.